Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you what an adjustment layer is. Now what's an adjustment layer? An adjustment layer is something that affects the layers below it, everything that's below it. So what's an example of this? If you want to colour grade a lot of clips but you don't want to copy and paste the same values over and over and over into the same clip over and over again for like 50 clips, let's say, what you can do, you can add an adjustment layer above them all, and you can colour grade that adjustment layer or add specific effects onto that adjustment layer, and it will apply that effects and that colour grade to the rest of the clips that is beneath it. So let me show you what I mean. So first things first, what you want to do, you want to navigate over to the bottom left hand corner of the input window, click new item, adjustment layer, click OK, and then drag it onto your timeline and then put it above your clips, and then it doesn't look like it's done anything to the clips right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to effects, and what I want to do for this is a music video, I want to put some black cinematic bars on it. So what we're going to do, we're going to search crop and drag crop onto that. It still hasn't done anything, that's because we haven't edited it. So in order to get it to work, what we want to do, we want to change the value. So I want it to be 10 at the top and then 10 at the bottom, and there we go. We've added the effect and it's affected all of the clips that are beneath it. So if we move the adjustment layer just a bit further back, the effect disappears because it is no longer underneath the adjustment layer. Whereas if we were to drag this adjustment layer to the very end, it will affect all of it. Now this can be said for the colours as well, if we want to colour grade it. So for this I want to go for like a colder, dark theme. Very cold, let's use an extreme example, there we go. All the clips are cold, as you can see, a nice bluey colour. But if we were to quickly go over the adjustment layer and it's no longer above the clips, it's no longer there. And this adjustment layer affects everything that's beneath it, which means it doesn't have a limit. If your adjustment layer is on track 7, it would affect all the tracks beneath it. So it really does not matter where you place your adjustment layer, as long as it is above your clips, and whatever is beneath the adjustment layer will get affected, as you can see right here. So guys, thanks for watching this quick little tutorial. This has been me showing you what an adjustment layer is and how to edit it, and it's just a brief introduction to it. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for every time I upload a new video you get notified, and follow me on Instagram as well for some quick tips. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.